Ladies and gentlemen, here we have, the electrifying, the electric. They call him the wizard at times. The magnifying halfback, Nikola Matawalu.
Boys are looking good, they're looking fit. We can wait for the first game against England.
Oh mate, the Houses is a big competition there with, with that number 9 spot with you, Henry Lolly, and, we've got Nikola. What can you add to this awesome squad that we have?
Well, it's up to the coach who will be, he's going to choose who will be starting. Everyone is working hard.
The world is expecting Nikola Matawalu to light up the World Cup. Is that true? What can we expect?
We're going to just chill. Just chill. Chill. Just chill. Chill. Just chill. 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 Just chill.
Is that true? What can we expect?
Just chill.
The world is expecting Nikola Matawalu to light up the World Cup. Is that true? What can we expect?
We're going to just chill.